Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life, and may your all desires and wishes come true this year. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, as you can see that I'm gonna show you some beautiful crochet handmade designs for bags, sling bags, crossbody bags, and the color scheme and the designs is superbly different from one another and very beautiful. I just love all the bags. I can't say which bag I love it, but I love all the ones. So as you can see, the design and color scheme is totally different and the pattern is unique, like very trending in nowadays, especially in 2023. So you can wear it casually and formally and with your top and jeans in any kind of dress you want to wear it. And the plus point is that you can crochet it according to your dress color. So you got so much benefits of these designs and you can start your own business because they are totally handmade. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and let me know your favorite crochet design pattern. And don't forget to please subscribe the channel if you want to know the latest update of my upcoming video. So please guys, do watch the complete video and you can see at the end of the video amazing designs as well, because all the designs are really unique and different from each other. So yeah, that's all. Do support me by subscribing the channel, share it with your friends and comment about your favorite design pattern of crochet bag. Thank you.